This VTuber got bans for supposedly no reason, and Twitch won't tell them why. This is posted by Streamer Bans. Twitch partner Coconuts has been banned, with Coconuts being a VTuber. Yeah, they have one total ban. Their ban has been going on since then. They've been banned for 6 days now. And they literally replied with, LOL for what? And everyone is so confused. So then this starts a lengthy attempt from Coconuts to try to get in contact with Twitch, which is so sad for Coco. Coco says, hey, at Twitch support, at Twitch, could I talk to a real person about my ban instead of y'all's shitty automated email response? I'd really like to know on why I'm getting the same length of ban as somebody who has had attempted to conceive a child on stream. Twitch support. Hey, Coco, I can see that you've appealed the suspension and that it was manually reviewed by the team and subsequently denied. The social team are unable to alter this outcome. Coconut said, I didn't appeal anything. I asked why and y'all told me too bad LMAO. How am I supposed to appeal something when I don't even know what I did wrong? And then we have VTubers like Leah Kitty saying, same thing happened to me. I tried to get through to a real person, but no luck. Really wishing you all the best. I like this one. This one was funny. Y'all did have the common courtesy to ban me when Elden Ring DLC dropped. So Coconuts then tweeted, day 2 and still nothing from at Twitch and at Twitch support. Haven't responded to my ticket, denied my appeal, and no messages from any rep. They still refuse to tell me why I got banned. How am I supposed to learn a lesson if I don't even know what I did wrong? And I think this is the weirdest part out of all of this. I don't know why they didn't tell Coco why they got banned. Then Coco said, hey, at Twitch support, is your job just to provide the illusion of support since y'all don't seem to actually provide any? Twitch didn't respond to my ticket or ban appeal, so the fuck else am I supposed to do? You could get me a real person or give me a real answer. Coco's back at it again. Hey, it's me again at Twitch support. I'll just assume you don't work weekends, even though I can see your replies. And ask that if you don't feel like doing your job, could you at least refer me to somebody who might? As much as you don't care, I do, and I would really like to get answers. I think this is so funny because you can see like the frustrations escalating with Coco. I don't think it's funny they got banned for no reason, but I just think it's like interesting to see the escalation of them being like, Twitch, I just want some help. Twitch, where are you? Twitch, can I talk to a human being? I still think it's weird that they got no reason why. No, but Brewster, the person who got banned for their name, Bread for Kids, literally was told it was because of their name. Coco allegedly was banned without being told why. And then here's Coco's daily tweet. Hey, at Twitch support, me again. I see y'all really like to use the word unable in your replies. Would you happen to be able to send me to someone who is, in fact, able? Hey, Flame, the social team is unable to directly assist you with suspensions. Hey, Wick, thanks for sending me an appeal via the appeals portal. The team who investigates these reviews in a queue-based system were unable to expedite. Hey, Hugh Kim, thank you for submitting an appeal. The team investigates reviews. They're unable to expedite this. And we have people really frustrated alongside Coco. Faye Astria says, I can't even get my head around sending a timestamp with a clear violation and reasoning below. It isn't possible. Maybe my guess is potentially it's too much work. Honestly, and they probably just don't want to do it. And yet they still want to claim that banning is never automatic and appeals aren't done by bots. If not, then it would be so easy to inform you of the exact offense. I'm sorry they're putting you through this. The lack of basic communication is embarrassing and their support responses are performative at best. The other side, Kitten says, Twitch is not YouTube. They look more than just one clip in isolation. There's no such thing as banned words that will earn you a vacation for the mere utterance. Is the exact reason it takes so long is human review. By demanding faster reviews, you're asking for AI. Faye says, if it takes so long because of human review, then how come streamer reports having appeals instantly denied and yet still being unable to be told what their ban was for? If the ban is for repeated instances, they could at least explain what the instance is being repeated. This is a situation which has already been appealed and was instantly denied with no explanation as to why. That is the issue that's being criticized. Streamers are left blindly appealing a reason they're not told. I mean, I think a ban system is good. I think banning streamers for doing fucked up shit is good. I think not telling the streamer why they got banned is not good. Going back to what Coco said, if Coco truly did a behavior that should not be repeated, then wouldn't Twitch want to tell Coco what the behavior is so Coco doesn't repeat it? But instead giving him a ban with no reason as to why doesn't make any sense. My random theory is potentially could this ban be related to the whole VTuber attire thing that's been going around where they banned a whole bunch of VTubers for that? But even then they told the VTubers as to why they got banned. So I think it's really weird that they did not tell them like at all. Right? Twitch suspension system is pretty bad in terms of explaining the reason. No screenshots, no logs, and I had to use my memory to deduce why the suspension occurred. That is so frustrating. I'm sorry you had to go through that, and I'm sorry for Coco who's going through this currently. Even if it was like an overarching occurrence, right? Like it wasn't one moment in stream, but it was like over time. Couldn't you tell them what it was? Hey, it's because of your insane use of profanity, we have to ban you, which is also not something Twitch bans for, by the way. I don't want to like instill fear in you guys. Or it's because of your attire in the last couple of streams, this, that, or the third. But not telling no information, nothing is odd. And I really hope that Coco can get unbanned soon.